Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and identity verification options. This matters because Apple Cache ties age to verified ID. Open Settings, tap your name, and make sure you're signed in and using two-factor authentication. Next, prepare a clear, legible photo of your government ID. Apple compares it to your account info. Once done, update iOS if needed so the wallet and settings flows match Apple's current screens. This setup prevents errors later and speeds the age. Now you'll perform the core steps inside Wallet. Open the Apple Cache card, tap the More button, and choose the Verification or Update ID option. This is where Apple collects birth date and documents. Follow each prompt. Capture front and back of your ID, take a selfie for identity match, and enter your correct birth date. Make sure photos are well lit and edges visible. Once uploaded, submit the request. Apple will process it and may ask for additional info if something didn't match. Finish by monitoring the verification outcome. Apple emails status and you can view progress in Settings or Wallet. If your age update is approved, make sure Apple Cache features reflect the new age. If denied, don't panic. Compare the denied reason, correct any mismatched name or birth date, and resubmit higher quality photos. Poor lighting and cropped ID are common causes. If repeated attempts fail, contact Apple support with your case ID so a representative can review and guide you through next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.